If you want to permanently delete your Postmates account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Account Deletion option. Scroll through the settings until you find the option for Delete Account or Close Account. This option may be located under a section related to privacy or account management. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Once you select the account deletion option, follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the necessary steps, confirm your account deletion. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been deleted permanently. Once you have completed these steps, your Postmates account will be permanently removed. If you change your mind in the future, you will need to create a new account to use the service again.